Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Today we have performance test of Elephone P8 Max. Some days ago we already made unboxing video and battery test. You can watch them by the links in description. The main feature of Elephone P8 Max is 5000 mAh battery and 16 megapixel front camera. Later we will publish video with detailed camera test of this smartphone. Elephone P8 Max is a budget smartphone, but it provides quite good performance. It is powered by MediaTek MT6750T, 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal memory, with supports for microSD memory cards. So let's start with benchmarks and then play some games. AnTuTu is one of the most popular benchmarks for Android devices, and Elephone P8 Max scores about 55,000 points. It is very good result for $140 smartphone. The next benchmark, called GeekBench 4, shows 617 points in single-core test and 2600 points in multi-core test. 3D marks allow to compare the performance of smartphones and tablets running on Android, iOS and Windows. As you can see, Elephone P8 Max has almost 6500 points. Synthetics test shows that smartphones shouldn't have any problems with games or apps. I chose some of the most interesting and powerful Android games. If I could play these games without problems, then you can run any Android apps. Let's start with Realsoft Survival. This is new shooting games with big open world, cars, planes and other different things. Elephone P8 Max doesn't have any problems with this game. To be honest, I cannot say that it runs very well. Sometimes there are small delays. However, this shouldn't prevent you from playing. Now I want to check the temperature of smartphone. It is very important because high temperature reduces performance of mobile device. As you can see, it is 50 degrees. The phone really became warm after playing, but it is not hot. The next game is Shadow 5-3. I think you have already played this game, and you know not every smartphone can run it. Fortunately, Elephone P8 Max has good hardware. The launch takes a little time, while the gameplay is smooth. From time to time, you may have slowdowns and FPS falls, but I don't think it will be a big problem. Don't forget that it is a budget phone and it does the job very well. Once again, let's check the temperature. It is the same 50 degrees. The last game for today is Asphalt 8. This is the best racing on Android. If you know any other interesting games, please write in comments below. I cannot say that Asphalt 8 is very smooth. You can see that sometimes FPS falls and there are slowdowns. On the other hand, they are not so big that it is impossible to play. If you really want to play Asphalt 8, then Elephone P8 Max allows you to do this. However, I recommend to choose more simple games, for example, Asphalt Extreme. Moreover, the temperature of smartphone while playing Asphalt 8 reaches 60 degrees. It is really noticeable. Elephone P8 Max has very good performance for budget smartphone. It runs any Android games and apps, but some of them don't work as smoothly as I would like. This is expected for a smartphone with price tag of $140. However, the user interface works fast and smooth, while browser and social networks like Instagram and Facebook are not the problem for Elephone P8 Max. Thanks for watching! In the description under the video you can find links where to buy smartphone cheaper. Subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.